Today is day 53 of learning Chopin's Ballad Number 1 in G minor. This practice, it wasn't too long today. I ended up practicing a lot of the left hand, and I did add it to the right hand and the left hand together, but I did not record that. I just recorded the refined left hand for you guys, but here, y'all take a listen.